Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Look at the picture in front of you. This is Mervin Constantine Jeremy. Now, I dropped a news earlier today about a possible escape. Well, everybody have it now. I'm gonna drop mine again. This boy escaped from Arkham Bordelais Prison. And look how I want them. I want these people to say, look, this prisoner is in shambles. One woman guard to 100 man. There was no backup. There was nothing going on. And to be honest, I think this young man walked out of the prison that same time I was talking about the prison. And his name, them call him Black Boy, and he's from the Bravo side. That's where Baboon King is. And just imagine if he walks out of prison. Baboon King could have walked out of jail too, out of the prison, and come out and do people things and take revenge and retribution. Somebody just used that word and I'm using it. Wow. Now, a couple days ago, I spoke about this situation and me tell them, you know, I said there's gonna be people escaping from this jail because there is no double fence or triple fence. The staffing is crazy, and one of the biggest thing that they need to look into, the prison board or whoever, the corrections ministry, the disgruntledness of the prisoners. So they need to put things in there to occupy these guys' time. They have one woodwork section, you understand? Them have a chapel. What else them have? I think them have a mini farm, but them need a lot more things. They need TV, they need phone, they need proper schooling. You understand? They need to be teach how to survive when them come out. So economic development. You understand? Because remember, you know, investing in human capital is the best thing for any country. That's why countries like Canada, America, England, those places, them invest back in their people. And that's why them have these powerful country. So, from how I see this prison going, and you know, when I heard the news from my intel, I said, hell no, I couldn't believe it. I said, man, countryman, you have goat mouth. Don't let countryman talk about you, you know. If countryman, me I laugh, but it's not funny, you know. If me talk about you, I talk about the prison, or whatever, what will happen. And that happen, because it's as plain as day. Prisoner, healthcare, mental health is very important. If you're running a prison and you have peer lunatic in there, it becomes Arkham asylum. So you have to find ways how to counsel and treat these people. So when them come back into society, you don't let out a super criminal. As far as I'm concerned, that's what has been going on. Let's get back to what I was talking about. Sorry. Black Boy, he escaped he's on the Bravo section with Marvin. You understand? Marvin could have escaped too. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys something, and the system should be ashamed of themselves when I say this. Black man is a rapist, and he walked out of Arkham Bordelais Prison, and a murderer. Where is the prison warden? Mr. Vern gave up the job and now he's police commissioner. So who is the warden for this prison? When are they gonna take some real action and solve some real problem? People of St. Lucia, I'm laughing but it's not funny. The prison system let loose a rapist and a murderer in our community. Him rape the female them, you understand, and him murder. People of St. Lucia, stand up, you understand? Stand up for the right, please. Now, one more time. Black man escaped from Bordelais Prison, Arkham Prison in St. Lucia. I spoke about this and it happened. We called on the Prime Minister, and I said I'm not gonna call him Prime Minister this time to do something because he is the National Security Minister. If them can't have a fully done spot like black man walk out of prison, it shows the slackness, the lack of security. Just like that young man who's in his cell and the man them come to stab him up. I don't even know who that young man is, but the video was sent to me by a female and audio was sent to me by a guy, and this young man is in his cell and them come to stab up the man, and the man actually take away the shank from the pussy to blood clot. You understand? That boy they can't fight, and the man have on him mask and thing. The man ready for war, but it is so sad because that man is sitting in prison minding his business, and the man them come to kill him. Then the guard, it was a female guard, she is standing there not doing anything about it. I can't understand how she still have her job, and I can't understand how they're gonna send one woman for 100 man. I know this video might sound rambling, but this escape give me my credibility. Only need to fix that prison. Listen, my name is Countryman.